So right students, so we are discussing about the general characteristics of the compounds of second year group elements. So in previous video I have completed the characteristics of few compounds. So the next one, salts of oxo acids. So already in first year group elements I have explained that which salts are known as salts of oxo acids. So when metals reacts with acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid and phosphoric acid, so they can give salts of oxo acids. So right. So first one, sulfates. Sulfates of the second year group elements. They are examples for the salts of oxo acids. So now sulfates, these are, we can prepare them when we treat the second year group metal. It may be beryllium, from beryllium to barium, whatever. When it is treated with the sulfuric acid H2SO4, then we can get here metal sulfate and hydrogen gas also liberated, hydrogen gas. And next one, when metal hydroxides of the second year group elements, these are treated with sulfuric acid. So from this also we can get the metal sulfates, and here you can get water. So to balance this one, you multiply with the 2. So here in both the reactions, M means it may be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. That's it. So this is about preparation of the sulfates of the second year group elements. And next one here, the sulfates of the beryllium and sulfate of the magnesium, and next one calcium. So they can form water of crystallization. For example, BeSO4, this one forms water of crystallization by combining with 4 water molecules, and magnesium sulfate combines with 7 water molecules, and CaSO4 combines with 2 water molecules. So here, so barium sulfate, magnesium sulfate and calcium sulfate, so they are present in hydrated form. So these are crystalline and hydrated. Crystalline and hydrated. So simply here, these salts can form water of crystallization. But the sulfates of the strontium and the next one barium, so they are crystalline in form and they are anhydrous, or they are anhydrated. So these are crystalline in form, but these are anhydrated salts. It means they won't form water of crystallization. So here barium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, they can form water of crystallization, but these two won't form water of crystallization. Right? And the next one, solubility. So now solubility. So here from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate, the solubility decreases. BeSO4 is more soluble than MgSO4, more soluble than CaSO4, more soluble than SrSO4, more soluble than BaSO4. This is the solubility order. Here these two are highly soluble in water. These are highly soluble in water, and which is sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble, and next one, these two are insoluble. Insoluble in water. So now here, what is the reason for the solubility for this order? So now from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate, the hydration enthalpy decreases. So if hydration enthalpy decreases, then solubility also decreases. So now here, due to decrease in hydration enthalpy, due to decrease in hydration enthalpy, enthalpy solubility decreases from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate. And next last one, stability order. Stability. So here stability order, BeSO4 less stable than MgSO4 less stable than CaSO4 less stable than SrSO4 less stable than BaSO4. So now here from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate, ionic character increases. If ionic character increases, thermal stability increases. So right students, next one, the next salts of oxo acids, carbonates of the secondary group elements. So here the carbonates of the secondary group elements are obtained when the metal hydroxides of the secondary group elements are treated with the carbon dioxide. So you can get here metal carbonate and water is released. So guys, here M means from beryllium to barium. M means from beryllium to barium. So next one guys, so you can obtain the metal carbonates. For example, when you treat the soluble salt, so let me write here the soluble salts of secondary group elements or second group elements, soluble salts of second group elements when treated with solutions of NH4CO3 and Na2CO3, soluble salts of the secondary group elements. So when treated with solutions of ammonium carbonate and H1Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, they are precipitated and gives respect to metal carbonates. For example, let us see. So now you take the soluble salt of the secondary group element, that is MgCl2. MgCl2 is soluble salt of the secondary group element, which is soluble in water, aqueous. So now this one, when you treat with the ammonium carbonate, so then here you can get precipitated MgCO3. You can get here, and you can get here 2 moles of the NH4Cl. This is another preparation to get the metal carbonates. So when the soluble salts of the secondary group elements are treated with the solutions like ammonium carbonate and sodium carbonate, then you can get the precipitates of the metal carbonates. Okay, and next one guys, these all are metal carbonates of the secondary group elements are insoluble in water. So now if you take the solubility order, it will be BeCO3 greater than MgCO3 greater than CaCO3 greater than SrCO3 greater than BaCO3. So generally they are insoluble, but here from beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate, so the solubility decreases. Generally they won't soluble, but this is the solubility order, which is little bit soluble comparing with the beryllium carbonate. But these are soluble in the presence of carbon dioxide. So these are soluble These are soluble in the presence of carbon dioxide. In the presence of carbon dioxide. Example, so this MgCO3, when it is treated with the carbon dioxide and water, it forms metal bicarbonate, that is magnesium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. Similarly, remaining carbonates also, when they are treated with the water plus carbon dioxide, they give hydrogen carbonates, bicarbonates. Due to the formation of these bicarbonates, so in the presence of CO2, metal carbonates are soluble. Right? Next one, thermal stability. Stability order. Stability order. So now here stability order increases from top to bottom of the group. So BeCO3, which is less stable than MgCO3, so right guys, the stability order, thermal stability order of the carbonates of the secondary group elements. BeCO3 is less stable than MgCO3, less stable than CaCO3, less stable than SrCO3, less stable than BaCO3. So from beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate, here ionic character increases. So one more thing here guys, let me finish this one first. So from beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate, ionic character increases. As ionic character increases, thermal stability also increases. So generally here these all are ionic in nature, but this one is not ionic, which is less ionic, that is covalent in nature. So here in carbonates of the secondary group elements, except this one, remaining all are ionic in nature, and that is the order of the stability. So this is about carbonates of the secondary group elements. Next one, salt of oxoacid, nitrates. So here nitrates are obtained when metal oxides are treated with HNO3. When metal oxides are treated with HNO3, so we can get here MnO3 taken twice, plus you can get here water. So to balance this equation, you multiply this one with the 2. And the next one, so when you treat them with metal hydroxides, when they are treated with HNO3, so we can get here metal nitrate of the secondary group element, and you will get here 2 moles of the water. And the next term, metal carbonates. Metal carbonates are the secondary group elements when they are treated with the HNO3. So we can get from here metal nitrate plus you will get carbon dioxide, and the next one water. So these are the preparation methods of the nitrate. In all the equations, M means any secondary group metal. M means any secondary group metal. So next guys, so these all the nitrates of secondary group elements are second group elements are soluble in water. So all are soluble in water. And next one, so these are decomposes upon heating. So metal nitrates upon heating, upon thermal heating, they decomposes to give metal oxide. And next one, they can give nitrogen dioxide. You will get 2 moles of the nitrogen dioxide. And next one, oxygen gas. So this is about sorts of oxide acids of the second A group elements.